Aren't you something to admire? Cause you shine in something like a mirror. I can't help but notice you reflect in this heart of mine. If you ever feel alone and the glare makes me hard to find, just know that I'm always parallel on the other side. Cause with your hand in my hand and a pocket full of soul, I'll tell you there's no place